The KOTIN G60B Prebuilt keeps coming up everywhere, so I bought one. Let me save you the research. You're not just buying a computer, my friend, you're investing in your gaming and content creation empire. You need something that can handle demanding tasks like 4K resolution at 144Hz, with ray tracing and DLSS 4 multi-frame generation. But let's be real, most pre-built systems fall short. That's why the KOTIN G60B Prebuilt stands out from the crowd. With its GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 graphics card paired with a Ryzen 7 9700X processor, you get an absolute powerhouse that can handle even the most extreme workloads. First off, let's talk about the display. This thing is buttery smooth at 144Hz, it's like playing games on a whole different level. You'll be able to see every pixel, every detail, and every frame of motion with crystal clarity. And when you're not gaming, this 11.3-inch smart display comes in handy too. But the KOTIN G60B Prebuilt isn't just about looks. It's also about performance. The advanced 360mm liquid cooling system keeps your components running smoothly under heavy loads, even at temperatures that would make most systems throttle. And with its compact design and 850W gold power supply, you can upgrade your case without sacrificing any performance. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the verdict? Well, my friend, here it is, buy it. The KOTIN G60B Prebuilt is a no-brainer for anyone who wants to take their gaming and content creation to the next level. Trust me, this thing delivers. That being said, there is one minor complaint I do have. The case is only 10 inches deep, which can make it a bit tricky to upgrade some components in the future. But let's be real, if you're not upgrading your hardware regularly, what are you even doing? Move on. So, if you want someone to do the research so you don't have to subscribe, you will find the link in the description. See you next week.